Yes, welcome. It's Justin, and I want to actually show you guys how to use the AI scanner to trade, or how I personally use the AI scanner to trade. So this video, I'm going to be explaining how a beginner in forex trading or a novice in forex trading, if you don't know much about technical analysis, how you can actually use this AI scanner to trade and generate signal. The AI scanner actually generates free signals for you. So what does the AI scanner do? It generates signal for you across all time frames, and we have this dashboard um, showing you the winning rates on each time frame and how you can actually utilize the opportunity in making money with it. That is what this dashboard does, right? So the scanner is an AI system that scan the market um, and provide signal for you on a daily basis every day. And you can trade anything you want to trade, crypto, forex, gold, and anything you want to trade, right? So on this particular time frame, this is 1 hour time frame. How I personally use it is I check so this video, I'm going to be doing it for two persons. So a beginner trader and advanced trader. For example, let me talk about for a beginner trader. How can you use this particular AI scanner? You can simply just go to the trading view. Once you have this scanner on your dashboard, all you have to do is to turn it on. And another setting, you can go to setting and maybe remove the table if you don't want to see it. If it's confusing on your mobile phone, you can just turn it off and let it be like this, right? So for this particular signal, we have a signal here, buy, right? So it means we can go in for a buy, but as a beginner, you might not want to be entering the trade with 1 hour time frame, right? So this is what we have here now. Go risk to reward. That is 1:2 risk to reward, right? So if we have this particular kind of signal, all I want you guys to do is to look for a buy opportunity. We are not going to be buying here. You're not going to be buying when the market is here. Since the signal is given to you on 1 hour buy, you just want to look for a buy opportunity above the signal line, right? Above the signal line. The same thing goes to a sell. If it's a sell, you want to look for sell opportunity below the signal line. So for example, this is a buy opportunity. I want to look for the buy opportunity above the signal line. So what do I do? I will go in and maybe on my 5 minute time frame, I look for buy opportunity. So we have the instant buy opportunity here, which is close to TP1, right? So I will just put in my trigger. Mind you, this it just hit TP1 as you can see. That's why we have this code. So I'll just take in my position by position, this thing TP1, my stop loss here. Today's NFP. That's why we have that spike down, right? So this is how it works. This is how it works. So this is the NFP news. Just react to this. The market is going up. Why? Because in this 1 hour time frame, it's bullish, right? So we are going up. So I'll go to my lower time frame, like 5 minutes, and look for buy opportunity. So this is how I use the scanner as a newbie, as a total newbie, right? You don't need to have bit more knowledge. Allow the scanner to do the work for you. The AI will do the analysis for you, give you the buy and sell setup and everything. All you have to do is just to go to your lower time frame and pick your signal so you can check the strength of the trend either with 1 hour or 30 minutes, whatever time frame. I like using it for 1 hour. Then you can take your trade on lower time frame like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Any time frame you want to use to take the signal, you can take, right? You can take. Now, let's say, what about if you're a newbie? If you are not a newbie, you have basic knowledge of trading. You know how to draw your trend line. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So let's say you know how to draw your trend line. You are an advanced trader. So you first of all want to do analysis. So you see when you see click here, this eye icon, you can turn it off and turn it on, turn it off and turn it on. So but first of all, let's do technical analysis. So doing technical analysis, we want to check the trend. So the trend of this market is bullish, right? It's bullish, and you can see the structures, right? It's bullish, breaking here highs. So technically, it's bullish. So if you use technical analysis, you already know when market is bullish and bearish. So with that being said, you can do trend line to know the market reaction. So what do you want to do? The market is tapping all the trend lines. So you want to be buying. You want to be buying around this region, and around this region too, right? So let's go and look for buy opportunity in lower time. This 1 hour time frame, and all you have to do next is to draw your on your indicator. You can put on your dashboard if you want. So You just want to pull out your indicator and see the time frames, right? So you have done your technical analysis. You can do any kind of technical analysis you want to do, right? So once you have done the technical analysis, see the market is telling us in 1 hour that it's bullish. Because why? We have a buy signal. And the market is above the buy signal, meaning it's going up. So it's a signal that we should buy, right? So all I need to do right now is to go to my lower time frame. So I'll go to I've done my analysis and everything. It's bullish and probably I want to enter a buy here. So I'll be looking for buy opportunity maybe from here going forward, right? So that is it. So what I need to do now is to go to maybe 5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, or maybe 15 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes. So what I will do now is to, since I'm on my 15 minutes time frame, I'll wait for buy signal here. So now see we have buy signal here. So I will enter the buy. We are heading over to TP1 here now in this 15 minutes time frame. So I'll enter a buy signal because 1 hour is telling me to buy, right? So I'll enter a buy signal here, stop loss here. I'm going like 1:1 done already. This is how to trade it, right? 1:1 done already. And I'll just take it. Why? Because I'm following the trend line. I'm following the trend. The market is telling me to buy. This is how to trade with this scanner technically. So now I've explained how to use it as a newbie and as an advanced trader. So it's simple that way. All you have to do is to just follow the trend and analyze the market just like that. This is how to use it. And if you have further knowledge about technical analysis, maybe you want to be doing point of interest, you can do it other blog, you can add all those stuff to your trading and just use the scanner as your entry technique. The AI will give you the exact point to enter and the exit point, right? So we also have it in MT5 and you receive notification, right? So I also receive notification in MT5. This is a new trade and this 75, I just hit TP1, TP2 here, right? So we hit once whenever you receive TP1, TP2, receive notification on your mobile phone. So this is a new set signal 1 minute time frame. This is good actually. So this is how the scanner works.